Hey guys, Pastor12 here, and today we will be looking at this Lego gun. Now this is the Lego Nerf high-powered rifle. Now this gun doesn't have many features per se, but there's still a lot of cool things about it. Like this isn't here really for function. This is just for looks, and I like the extra grip on the side. You see here, it's extra grip. I like to put my thumb right there. But anyway, one of the features is this ACOG scope right here. Now it just pops right off. Now this isn't actually my ACOG scope, but I will put the tutorial link in the description for you to see it, and it's pretty cool if you ask me. Let's just pop that baby right back on. We have some little supports right here, usually just to keep these bricks from separating over time. We have a trigger right here. It's a little hard to pull maybe, but it's really easy to operate. We have some more supports right here. Another one over here. But anyway, this is the actual boat. Basically, how you operate this, it's pretty simple. You pull this back. It's starting to break. Anyway, you pull this back. It depresses the trigger. Okay, so how it works is you can pull the trigger if you want to lower the bolt stopper right there. You might not be able to see it because of the lighting. I can see it just fine though. Ah, there you go. Right there. There it is. That's basically all that really stops the bolt. But anyway, what you want to do is you want to depress the trigger. You can just pull it back and make it depress itself, but I like to depress the trigger first so it'll be easier to pull back, and then I can undepress the trigger. Now you basically pull it back until it clicks forward like you just saw there. So it is now locked into place, and whenever you pull the trigger, it will unlock and send the bolt flying forward. Then what you do, you put a Nerf bullet up in the barrel right here. Push it back as far as it goes. Don't push it back to where it has a ton of force holding it back. Anyway, now all you do is fire. Now as you see what happened there, I used a certain bullet to demonstrate you, but this is a very soft bullet. You don't want to use soft, old soft bullets, because they can actually get smushed by the trigger, by the bolt, as you just saw. But anyway, that's pretty much how the Lego gun works, and I will do a tutorial if I'll do a tutorial in about a week or two. You'll see it posted in about a week or two. But anyway, this is the Lego Nerf high-powered rifle. Pastor12 signing off.